In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a testimonial slider carousel in WordPress with Elementor. First, let's open your WordPress admin dashboard and make sure you're logged in. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main menu. Look for the Pages section, hover your mouse over Pages, and then click on All Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page where you want to add your testimonial slider carousel. When you hover over that page title, you'll see several options appear underneath it. Click on Edit with Elementor to open that page in the Elementor page builder. Once Elementor loads, you'll see your page layout in the main area, and on the left sidebar, you'll see the widgets panel. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type Testimonial Carousel, then drag and drop the Testimonial Carousel widget into the section where you want your testimonials to appear. With the widget selected, its settings will appear on the left. Start in the Content tab. Here you'll see that Elementor has already created 3 default slides. Click on any slide to expand it. You can now edit the testimonial text, add or change the image, and update the person's name and their title or role. To keep your carousel consistent, try to use images that are the same size and style. If you want to duplicate a slide, click the duplicate icon next to it. This is useful when you want to keep the same layout and just change the text and image. To remove a slide you don't need, click the X icon. If you need more testimonials, click Add Item to create a new slide from scratch. Below the slides, you'll see options for the overall layout and behavior. Here you can choose the skin, adjust the layout, alignment, how many slides show at once, how many slides scroll at a time, and the width of the carousel. If you open the additional options section, you'll find controls for arrows and pagination, the transition duration, autoplay and its speed, infinite loop, pause on hover, pause on interaction, image resolution, and lazy load. Take a moment to adjust these so the slider feels smooth and user-friendly. Next, switch to the Style tab to refine the design. This is where you can adjust typography, colors, spacing, and images so the testimonials match your site's branding. If you need more control over margins, padding, motion effects, or responsive behavior, open the Advanced tab. When everything looks good in the preview, go to the bottom of the panel and click Update if it's an existing page, or Publish if it's a new one. Your testimonial slider carousel is now live on your WordPress site using Elementor.